Hello friends, today I'm working on my Tacoma. So I have a set of good condition wheels, aluminum wheels. So I wanted to reuse them on my Tacoma, but they need to be painted. These aluminum wheels, 17 inches in radius, and it has like 12 millimeters offset, which is almost will fit to my Tacoma, because Tacoma has 10 millimeter plus offset. So it should fit perfectly, and it should be a little bit offsetting of the body of my Tacoma, because those wheels is a little bit wider. And also I purchased Pirelli. Yes, Pirelli. It is 285 70 R70, which is almost 33 inches in radius. So because I already lift my Tacoma, those tires should fit without any scrubbing. But I will see, of course, how it works, and stay tuned. The whole process will take 3 steps. The first step, you will need to remove all paint and coating. The second step is to prepare for painting. It will need sanding, scuffing and removing all imperfections on the front and rear sides of the wheel. The third step is applying grease remover, primer, paint and coating. To remove paint and coating, I used a quick strip paint stripper. All you need is to apply it to the wheel, wait 5-10 minutes, then wash it out with water. For the best result, remove all paint and coating from the facing side of the wheel. If you still have paint leftovers on the back side of the wheel, it's okay, it can be removed later. When you have removed all coating and paint, you must sand and scuff the wheels. I use 200 and 400 grade sandpaper, then 600 and 800 grade scuff pads to make the surface smooth. I do not worry about minor blemishes on the backside, but I still will remove them as much as possible. I use the Dremel tool to remove deep scratches. After grinding and sanding the wheels, I wash them and let them dry. I also clean the wheels with Eastwood pre-paint aerosol to ensure no residue or dust is left on the rims. For primer, I used Eastwood 2K Aerospray Epoxy Gray Primer. However, I should use black one to make the finish look better. If you plan to paint the wheels black, I suggest you use black primer. Otherwise, you will need to apply extra layers of paint to make the finish deep black look. After the first layer of primer, I wet sanded with 1200 grade sandpaper. I did this procedure 3 times after each layer of paint, and the surface felt smooth like a silk. Now your wheels are ready for painting. Remember to cover the rubber part of the steam valve with masking tape. You will also need to apply several layers of paint. Make sure you let the wheels dry out after each layer of paint. Otherwise, it will drip if you will not let it dry enough. For painting, I used Duplicolor High Performance Wheel Coating Glass Black Spray. It's a good spray and will produce a nice black finish look. I applied a total of 4 layers of paint. I let the wheels dry out for several hours before applying the coat. Then I used Eastwood 2K Aerospray High Glass Coating. I applied a total of 4 layers of coating. It takes some time and effort to finish the job. It is an annoying and tedious process because of the wheel shape. Just be patient, and the result will be outstanding. As you can see, wheels look nice and neat, as well as my Tacoma. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again shortly.